Open the sealing cap of the water inlet of the chiller. Add the prepared distilled water. Adding distilled water is to avoid scale. Winter we have to add special antifreeze for chiller. Add in a ratio of 4 to 6 with water. Water level indicator for adding water. Add to standard area. Close the water injection port after adding. Connect the power cord. Connect compressed air before processing. Turn on. Turn on emergency stop. Turn on the power. The screen lights up. The chiller is powered on. The current temperature is displayed here. Normally set the temperature to 36 degrees in winter. Wait until the temperature of the chiller reaches 36 degrees to turn on the laser. This is a safety protection for the laser. Turn on the laser. The key rotates counterclockwise. Wait for the power light to go out. After the run light turns red, press the start button on the right to start the laser. Turn on potential energy after turning on. Start processing. The distance from the laser cleaning head to the surface of the cleaning material, 30 to 50 cm. It is recommended to equip with dust collector. Turn off the laser after use. Turn the key to the off state. Turn off the main power.